I mean, NVIDIA has hit a very significant measured move. I was actually talking about this earlier today. It's up about 60% on the year, almost 600%. Well, the spike high from not that long ago is about 600%. It has hit a Fibonacci measured move. Now, Fibonacci is um, one of the most powerful tools I think that you can use, and I use Fibonacci extension to I understand where these movements are. And when I use this, I like to look at the 618 level, which is an extension from this pattern. And I like to look at the 100% level. And if we were to zoom in on this chart, so the way it works is you take this low, you'll take the high of the consolidation, and then you take this low. And once we apply that, it extends that momentum up two different levels. And my general rule is if price hits the 618 extension and takes a bit of a pause, that means you've got your analysis correct, and almost always do we go up, and we'll see that 100% measured move hit, and we hit that move. We actually saw this several weeks ago, about a month and a half ago. We talked about this, about a month and a half ago. We said 784 is probably the next major target, and when we look at the daily chart, you can really see how this played out. So if we were to just look at this daily chart, what's really interesting is we had this low and the rally up, and here's the 618 level on NVIDIA. And you can see here, it hit that level and it paused. And if it pauses under that level, then you're pretty much going to go up and hit this 100% level. So I think most of the upside, as you mentioned there, Anthony, I think most of the upside is done. Right now, it's hit its target based on its big multi-month chart pattern. So now we're in bubble phase. How much of the general public is going to pile in? How emotional are institutions to keep accumulating this? Is it going to pop to $1,000? Is it about to drop? This type of scenario, I'm expecting a pop and a drop, and eventually it'll probably correct and have a bigger correction. But right now it's kind of in bubble phase. It's just a wild card at this point.